Introducing our professional BubbleBox beverage range for nitrogen and mixed gas infusions that offer exceptional new drink experiences. Transform any drink into a smooth, creamy, and healthy beverage that will amaze your customers. The tiny bubbles of nitrogen create this thick and incredibly creamy foam, leading to an excellent smooth and velvety mouthfeel. Nitrogen creates a sweeter-tasting beverage that will remind you of the most delicious cappuccino without the addition of any sugar or milk. With no calories added, Nitro drinks are a healthier alternative to energy drinks and sodas. No matter your taste or desire, create any Nitro drink on tap. Nitro cocktail, coffee, tea, soda, beer, chocolate, and many more. Nitro drinks are a piece of art. Experience mesmerizing cascade effects when the nitrogen produces frothy and milky coats, sinking from top to bottom. Our solutions are plug and play for you and your staff. Easy to install, use, and maintain. Just pull the tab, and your delicious drink is ready to serve. Our BubbleBox nitrogen range is the perfect choice for your bar or restaurant. The ColdFusion is a very compact dispenser that chills down and infuses nitrogen into your beverage in a couple of minutes. Simple to use and install, you will amaze your customers with an impressive cascade effect and smooth foam. The Nitro Pro is the pro of nitro performance. It continuously injects the right quantity of nitrogen into your drink. With a stable pour after pour, you can serve a big pub or bar crowd in record time. Connected to a beer cooler and tap under the counter, in the back room, or in a kegerator, it's adaptable to every kind of setup. Our newest fusion technology allows you to mix not only nitrogen, but also CO2 to your water flow. Be creative and create new drinks with N2 or CO2. From nitro coffee to sparkling wine to water, everything can be done with this mixing all-arounder. You get a huge beverage diversity with only one piece of equipment, the must-have for every bar. All of our BubbleBox systems are compatible with easy-to-store and space-saving bag-in-boxes or kegs with any liquid of your choice. They work with N2 or compressed air. Be more eco-friendly, as there are no plastic bottles needed. Our BubbleBox gas infusion technology caters for all palates and industries. Impress your customers and create the best drink experience.